sensibility and practicality define the 2014 Volkswagen Jetta. This four-door, five-passenger sedan offers the latest in technological innovation and style. It features a standard transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. Volkswagen prioritized comfort and style by including a tachometer, a trip computer, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Volkswagen also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.